Christmas is near. How about sharing the Christmas spirit with your family and friends? How about making a wreath from this and converting it into a nice wreath for the holiday spirit? Selecting foliage, branches, and berries right out of your Louisiana landscape is a great way to save money and have a beautiful Christmas wreath. Some of the plants that you want to select are evergreen red cedar, Japanese yew, Caroline sapphire, Savannah holly, magnolia, pines, olive tree branches, nandina, thuja, and Christmas tree. When you trim the tree, keep that swag and you can use it in your wreath. So we've already pre-clipped our greenery, and now we're going to make a bundle, the basic unit of making a wreath. So we have our greenery here laid in a pyramid shape so that the tallest part of the greenery is on top and slightly descending on the edges. We're going to stack the greenery to give it dimension, and then we're going to add a little color with the holly. And what we'll do is we'll even off the ends and put a rubber band to form the greenery. Here is a bundle. This is the basic unit for making our new wreath for Christmas. So you take the metal wreath ring and you attach the bundle to the ring using a zip tie. And it's a typical zip tie you can get in any hardware store. And you take the next bundle, place it over that, and you would tie that onto the base until you complete the ring. So we've attached all our bundles to the metal ring, and now we have our Christmas wreath. What we want to do after we build it is to go ahead and spray on our preservative. That'll keep it nice and fresh through the holiday season. I want you to remember that all of these materials came from the landscape, and that you can go into your yard and clip foliage and trim it to size, and it really makes a great present for family and friends. Merry Christmas!